Remember, there's this thing, they say we praise people after when they left.
Yeah,
when they are gone.
Yeah, we praise them on their death.
Yeah, but then when they're still alive,
we don't praise them. But some of us knew him before he died.
Also remember, guys, it's not easy just to praise somebody out of nothing, you know.
Yeah.
Good people, they always remember when they are gone. When they are still alive,
yeah, they don't praise.
You know,
remember of Job. Even Solomon also, he said also he wanted to contest for the senior position this time around. So me, I think between the Cape Town mayor and Solomon, I think somebody between the two they will win.
Yeah, I remember the Joburg mayor even getting Mackenzie attempted to run for him.
Getting Mackenzie, I don't think he's gonna win.
Yeah, I'm saying, but even getting